Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you change your ringtone of your iPhone. So let's start up the process. To start up the process, you have to open up your settings. Tap on setting icon to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see option sounds and haptics. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you can see option ringtone. Tap on this option. Now from here you can select any ringtone. So if you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.